Today is Christmas Eve. We're going to add a little bit of humor to our normal session of putting Dr. G on the spot and talking about penile augmentation. For this week, we're going to discuss what exactly it means by non-surgical means of penile augmentation. This is by injecting something called the bulking agent. As the name suggests, it actually just bulks up the penis itself, and it's particularly good for the girth enlargement. In fact, there are quite a few materials that has been carried out in order to enhance the girth itself. In the old days, we inject really nasty stuff like silicone and also something like paraffin, believe it or not. Obviously, all these are foreign bodies and create significant reaction, and that causes really disfigurement and infections in the penile skin itself. In recent years, in 2003, there's several bulking agents that has been used, which is hyaluronic acid and pro-acid injection that has been used. And all these are either biocompatible or biostimulants. For hyaluronic acid, for example, is biocompatible, it's inert in nature, and that itself will bulk up the penis itself by 2.4 centimeter. And that itself actually has been studied to create significant improvement in people's perception of their own penis and also enhance their self-esteem. In some study, it even showed that it reduces premature ejaculation. There's a small study that looked at 283 patients over a period of time, and it's realized that this bulking agent, when you inject it, should last about 2 years, but some of them up to 72 weeks. And then when you assess them, their partners are significantly happy with that. For pro-acid injection, that itself is biostimulant. That itself causes scarring, and hopefully that scarring and inflammation will enlarge the penis itself. And that has significant more side effects such as scarring itself, disfigurement, infection, and edema. So choosing what type of bulking agent is important, and remember, this is a temporary solution and a mere 2.4 centimeter. For most of us, you probably don't notice it. So don't take the risk. In fact, most people don't really have small penis syndrome. Therefore, bulking it enough is probably not necessary. Next week is going to be New Year's Eve, and we're going to talk about the big one. Yes, we're going to talk about a non-invasive form of way to cause penile augmentation. So if you're interested to find out exactly how penis can be elongated, then stay tuned for next week's Putting Dr. G on the Spot.